What's going on, everybody? Let's let y'all know what we got in. Got a super clean Yamaha Raptor 700. Low hours, LED lights. Everything's hooked up on this bad boy. Got a Gixxer 600, a Gixxer 1000, CRF 450, another CRF 450, CRF 250, CR 125 two-stroke, YZ 250 two-stroke, RM 85 two-stroke, Honda TRX 300, Raptor 660, Predator 90. I got two 110s, Kawasaki and Yamaha, and I also got this free Honda 300EX. Dug it out the dirt. It's been sitting for over 10 years. But yeah, that's what we got in today. Y'all come see me.